down.
I don't like it though. Yeah, we all know. We all know that.
And it goes down there.
Let's see, will it be this? Hey guys, so we are back at the camp. This is what it looks like. It's kind of really junky right now, but I'm about to clean it. So this is before. Okay guys, this is the after. We pretty much have all the stuff in this basket now, and we're just keeping this in here as a seat. I mean, I guess we're not completely done because some of the stuff is still outside, but like my hands are really cold, and I don't think I'll be able to press the record button later. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna take the water gun and spray it onto the tarp because it got really sandy and really dirty again. Because we used it as a floor and we realized we don't really like it like that. So yeah.
Pull it.